support the firehouse, even if you're not a Christian, like, eventually it'll grow on you. Like, I'm not trying to say, like, I'm trying to force religion, but it's a good place, you know. I don't get how people say, you know, lost my train of thought. Maybe I'm not even supposed to say that, but anyways, it's just a good place. People care, they're good people. I don't see why people say religion is a bad thing, like we're trying to make money. They twist that. The people twist that. Religion is good, it's truth, it's right. It's what's real. Happiness, love. I don't see how people twist it into money or whatever, but I support it just because I love this place. I don't want to see it go, you know? It's like a couple bucks here and there, don't matter to me. It's going for a better cause than whatever, you know? So that's a real good support this place.